Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Hassan Saeed and I welcome you all at WebDoc Health Session. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is known as cataract. Cataract is an eye relating disease. Cataract is actually the clouding of the lens in the eye that leads towards the decrease in the vision. Cataract develops slowly and it takes place unilaterally or bilaterally at the same time. Symptoms include blurred vision, faded light, trouble with seeing at the night, trouble with bright light and halo around the light. These all symptoms will result in trouble in driving, reading and recognizing faces. The most common cause of cataract is old age or the increasing age. It is directly related to the aging. Other symptoms may include radiation exposure, any trauma to eye, or it can take place from the birth as well. Risk factors includes diabetes, smoking, alcohol consumption and prolonged exposure of the sunlight. You can prevent it by wearing glasses and quit smoking. The ultimate treatment of the cataract is surgical repair. So if you are having these symptoms, you have to contact your doctor for the further assistance and the immediate effective treatment. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Keep sharing this video. Allah Hafiz.